Hello guys, welcome to our channel Planscape. Today we are going to show you how you can draw easily a single line diagram for your house, for a typical two-story house. As you can see that now we have created the rectangle, and first we need to create the metering housing. So we will create the metering housing. As you can see that we have created the rectangle, and you have to offset a little outside and remove the outer rectangle. And now inside we put the meter symbol with the simple letter M. And in the metering housing we will make one MCCB, which is very essential for metering housing. You can see that we wrote the M text, and here we put in the center, and you can see the scale lit up little bit. Okay, place at the suitable location as you want. Draw a line. This line represents the power supply coming from the main grid, and here we will draw the breaker symbol, which is typically MCCB, molded case circuit breaker. MCCB called molded case circuit breaker. So now we are creating the MCCB symbol here. You can see that you need two circles and one arc, and by those you can easily represent the MCCB circuit diagram, MCCB device diagram. So here now we put aside. Okay, then we will go further and we will make this connection to the main distribution board, which is called MDB, main distribution board. The main distribution board consists of bus bars, MCCBs, and grounding lugs, and neutral lugs. So you can see that we have created this rectangle represents the MDB. Here we have created here this line represents the bus bar. Another bus bar for the first floor. This one is first ground floor, and now as you can see that here also we have to create another MCCB, because we are giving the connection to our house, and because as you can see that the MCCB will each MCCB will serve for each floor. So now here also we have to put the MCCB symbol. So it's a very first connection prior to the bus bars. From the bus bars you have to connect the MCCB, and then the connection will go out to the MDB, to go to the DB box, not MDB, DB box. So this the both connection, as you can see that both will go to the each MDB. Okay, both will go to each of DB box in the house ground floor and first floor. And here we will create the earthing for grounding. This connects to the grounding lug inside the MDB. For earthing of MDB box we have to create this, and another one for neutral wire. So if you're typically giving the three-phase supply to your house, so you have to make the grounding and neutral grounding also, because it's very essential. You have heavy loads inside the MDB box. So in this single line diagram we are typically representing the three-phase supply. You can see that here you have to make the grounding symbol. We will create the grounding symbol here to represent the earthing. You can see that we have created the grounding and neutral grounding symbols for earth manhole. So those connections will go to the earth manholes for grounding and the neutral grounding. And as you can see that we'll make some adjustments here. Take the same thickness if you want, and then move to the you can see here we will write the three-phase connection and bus bar. So this is the bus bar, and bus bar 10 by 10 millimeter bus bar thickness, and bus bar 10 into 10 millimeters, or you can see here both sides we will write the MCB and the bus bar. I will make the cable how many cables we have in this connection. So we have three phases, R, Y, B, and the neutral one and the earthing or grounding. So we have five cables. Here we have five cables for the first floor connection, and now we will write here for the grounding or earthing. So this one serves with the grounding, and here we have the neutral grounding. So here we have the neutral grounding. Okay, now we have to put the how many cables we have, cable numbers, and the cores, how many cores in each cable, and the thickness of the cable. So we have to write on both sides. So in three-phase power supply, you typically have three phases and one neutral and one grounding.